So now when we click through to the register now button here, we get navigated to the /register page, but again, this is blank. So let's go ahead and copy this all out. So in modules, I'm going to create a new folder called register. And essentially, we're just going to reuse everything that we've created so far. So if we go into the login page, I'm essentially going to copy everything out like so. And then in register, where we have our return block, we just need to paste in what we have. We need to import the page layout like so. The logo section is imported. The login form, we need to change this to the register form, which the only difference is that it has the extra import in. And then the continue with Google, we can just keep that. So we've already created the component for that. That's fine. So let's go ahead and import the login background. So import login BG from the assets. So let's just comment this out for now and save. And now you can see everything is the same. We just need to change this. So the way we can change that is quite simple actually. But other than that, that should be the register complete. So let's go into the logo section. And what I want to do is pass in a prop, a Boolean prop, saying that this is the register page. So we can just say is register page like so. And then in the logo section now, we can destructure the prop, which is an optional prop, by the way. So is register page, and we can just do the type. So type logo section props is register page, which is a Boolean. So we just need to do React functional component. And now we can just conditionally render the is register page. And what I want to do to make things cleaner is add a guard clause in there. So basically that is an if check to say if it is a registered page, like so, then we want to return in here. If this is not true, then it will just render this out over here. So what I'm going to do is just copy everything across because the styling is pretty much the same. And then we're rendering the image, that's fine. Instead of sign into your account, it's register for an account. And then instead of not a member, you could do are you a member, sign in. And then instead of the route enum register, we want to do dot login here. So what we're doing is we're passing in the optional prop, and then if it is a register page, then show this, otherwise show this. And what we could do is create this as its own component within the register module, or we could just keep it here. But to save time, I'm just going to keep it inside here. Let's go ahead and check that. Are you a member? Sign in. We should just change that text. Are you a member? Sign in. And then if it's the register, if it's the sign-in page, then that text changes here. So we just need to do the same for the form. So let's copy this. And in our register module, let's create the component. So this is the register form.tsx. Paste in the login form, command the register form. So the styling's already implemented. All I need to do now is create a new input up here using the reusable import component. And then this could just be the name, like so. And then what we need to do is remove the forgot password because we don't have an account. So now let's save. So sign into your account, register now. We need to import the register form component into our register page. So let's go ahead and do that here. So let's control space register form. And now we have reused all of our styles in the login page. We have the page layout already set up. And then what we have done is created the register for account page as well. And we also have the sign in page. So now what we want to do next is create the home page here. So next we'll create the responsive header as well.